purchased this Beauty Blender Sweet Surprise Mystery Blind Bag thing. I know that they had these available for the holiday, and I actually got this off QVC. You get a mini solid cleanser, which I really love the cleanser. You get a chance of one of the 3 beauty blenders or a rare mystery chance. So I'm gonna open it with you guys and show you what I got. Okay, so I have the box opened, and that is what the little package looks like. And I think it is so adorable. How cute is that? All right, so I got the bag open. Let me grab I'm trying to grab the little cleanser first and not pull out the beauty blender. Here's the little solid swirl cleanser, and I know that everybody received, if you purchased this mystery bag, everybody got the same color swirl cleanser. It works not only on the beauty blenders, but it works on your brushes too. So I think it's really good, and with the size of it, it'll last for a while. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm so surprised. I got the yellow one. Oh, that's so awesome. Okay, so let's see. On the back, it tells you what your chances were of getting the certain color. So, of course, the mystery one, you only had 1 in 24 chances to get the rare. The chill green one, 6 in 24 chances. The joy, which is what I received, you also had 6 out of 24 chances. And then the original pink one, you had 11 out of 24 chances to receive it. So I've used the pink one before, and I actually used the black one, the Black Beauty Blender Pro, and I had to just throw that one out because it started falling apart. So I also have one that I'd gotten in my FabFitFun, so I'm really glad to see this one. It's a different color. I think this kit is so worth it. I might actually pick up another one because for the price, it's worth it. It's 20 bucks and you're getting the cleanser basically for free. I might actually pick up another one. All right, guys, so again, just wanted to film this and show you this little video. Keep a lookout for all of my unboxings. They're coming up. It is January, and I have been kind of MIA, but because of the holiday season, I just kind of took a break. I will be coming back with all of the January 2019 boxes, so that will be the first full video of the year. So if you haven't already, please guys subscribe to my channel. Keep a lookout on my Instagram. It is linked in the description down below because I am going to be having a giveaway pretty soon. I haven't listed what the products are going to be, but there's going to be some lashes, some skincare, an eyeshadow palette, and some really cool things that I hope everybody would enjoy. So keep an eye out and go follow me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel. So until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.